What if the man who saved the universe became its greatest threat? Imagine this. Years after Thanos' peace has settled over the 9 realms, Thor, now king of New Asgard, is raising Gor's daughter, Love. But this peace is fragile. One day, the sky rips open, and a sleek, metallic soldier emerges. It's a Doom bow, and it brings a message from its master, Dr. Doom. Surrender your reality, or face complete erasure. Thor, being Thor, smashes the bot to pieces, but thousands more pour through the rift. The Avengers reassemble at their ruined compound. Doctor Strange explains this isn't just an invasion, it's an incursion. Another universe is colliding with theirs, led by a Dr. Doom who claims to be the multiverse's savior by destroying all other realities. But then, Strange reveals the gut-wrenching truth. He shows Thor a live feed of Doom, who removes his iron mask. Beneath it is a face Thor knows all too well, though older and scarred. It's Tony Stark. Thor's heart shatters. This isn't their Tony, but a variant who never became Iron Man. Instead, he became a tyrant with Stark's genius and magic that rivals the Sorcerer Supreme. Fueled by grief and rage, Thor vows to destroy this imposter who desecrates his friend's legacy. A small strike, Tim Thor, Doctor Strange, and Captain Marvel infiltrates Doom's fortress, a castle floating in the void between realities. Inside, they face a deadly fusion of magic and Stark tech. In the throne room, they confront Doom himself. He's cold, calculating, and dismisses them with chilling arrogance. Stark was a man limited by his morality, he says. I am unburdened. The battle is brutal. Doom systematically dismantles the team, countering every move. He drains Captain Marvel's energy, outspells Strange, and pins Spider-Man under rubble. Finally, he stands over a beaten Thor, a metal boot on his chest. In my world, Thor died because he was weak. Doom taunts, "Are you weak?" But as Thor looks at the face of his friend, he remembers Tony's sacrifice. He remembers the hero with a guttural roar. Thor summons his full power. I am not just the god of thunder, he growls. I am the All-Father. Mjolnir and Stormbreaker fly to his hands. He raises a king cloaked in cosmic lightning and unleashes a fury that Doom cannot calculate. He's no longer fighting with anger, but with purpose to protect his friend's memory. As Doom prepares a final, reality-ending spell, Thor makes a choice. He raises, Thanos was inevitable, he declares. You're just a man in a metal suit. Instead of killing Doom, he brings the axe down on the reality anchor behind the throne, the machine fueling the incursion. The machine explodes, the fortress crumbles, and Doom is forced to retreat into the shadows of the multiverse. Back on Earth, the immediate threat is gone, but the war is far from over. Standing on the Avengers' balcony, Thor looks to the stars. He knows Doom will return. But something has changed. He's no longer just a warrior. He is a king, shouldering the weight of all worlds. His brother Loki once told him the sun would shine on them again. For a long time, he didn't believe it, but now he understands. They are the sun, and they will burn away the darkness. The god of thunder is ready for whatever comes next.